Hey, what's up guys? This is Lucas with Surf Training Factory, and today we're going to be talking about how do you remove FCS 2 fins. Alright, so today we're going to be removing FCS 2 fins, and as you can see here I have a hose set up and I got a towel under the board just minimize scratches and dings on the board. Okay, I have an extra towel. It can be a t-shirt, it can be cloth, it doesn't really matter. It can be your wetsuit, as long as it's not going to ruin it. And the reason why I have this is because this box here, so you have to remove the fins out like this, okay, from this angle up, and it can really ruin your hands. It can cut you down. I'll show you a little pressure here. This is like how much power I'm putting, and it really digs into your hand, so this helps. Okay, this box here will take the FCS fins, the first ones, right, and FCS 2 as well. As you can see, there's little holes here for screws. We don't have the screws because, again, these are FCS 2s. So to remove it, I want to put my hand close to the box, okay, kind of counter pressuring here. I want to make sure that I'm not putting too much downward pressure and actually snapping the board or really dinging it really, really bad. So what I want to do is I want to grab with my 4 fingers on this contour here of the fin, my thumb's over it. I'm gonna put downward pressure and I'm gonna pull it towards me. Boom. This one came out really, really easily, thank God, because the middle fin usually is one that fights me a lot. All right, so I'm gonna come up a little bit here, same kind of concept. I'm gonna put a little bit more power on this fin here. Here it is. Woo, man, this is brutal right over here. That one is a tough one. So every time this one does that, okay? And I always make sure that after I remove it, I kind of like, blow in here and kind of clean it out, take as much of the extra sand and salt that's in there. That's just my preference, nothing crazy that you need to do that. That's just what I do, all right? And the same thing we're gonna do here with this one. As the last one, I wanna put pressure. I'm actually gonna change my hands, step over the board, and put this counter pressure again, and boom, there it is. So this was how to remove FCS 2 fins. Again, from any box that will take the FCS 2, and these also take the FCS fins as well. Thanks for watching.